research. I mean, the artist has to do their own research, and it's a literary work. You have to be careful that, you know, you keep it in, you know, in that form. I mean, it's definitely tricky, but you know, adaptation isn't for everybody, though, either. That's another thing. I mean, some artists have a hard time with somebody else's art. You know, like Victor Hugo's mind, you sort of get the baton passed to you, and you get to re-express.
Mm-hmm.
So
did you pick out the elements of the story that you wanted to illustrate? I mean, how...
I'm sorry, your original question was, how do I find out what to take and pull out? And
I mean, because that becomes a personal preference as to what elements of the story.
That's true. Right, right. Well, I mean,
connect with it, the image is born. You know?
right, right, right. Well, I mean, I just felt like I wanted to be able to get the moral of the story was the most important for me, and I felt that probably that was the most important for Victor too. I don't know. And so, you know, that's what I decided to pull out, and you know, and then it was just inspiration from there took over. Because I ended up taking like so many. Russ had to be like, hey, slow down. Leave some for the other artists, you know. You know, I mean, this. So yeah, so I ended up doing what in Volume 3, biographies of the Beat Generation. Is that right? And then
The Great Gatsby.
The Great Gatsby, which I love. My all-time favorite by F. Scott Fitzgerald. And I mean, I have a lot of styles that can come out, and it's sort of like the work that inspires me, and it's weird. I mean, I can just do like tons of different styles.
Mm-hmm.
The underlying work. But yeah, when it came to newly commissioning work for, you know, a lot of the works past 1923, that's the magic cutoff date when copyright kicks in. I told the artists, you have an extra challenge here. You don't use any text. So there are a number of wordless adaptations. Yeah, there's some in here too that you'll be able to see. This is we're still in the 1800s. This is Jabberwocky done in silhouettes. Characters in the full gallery. Okay, Flannery O'Connor, done very experimentally. That's one of the most experimental pieces in the book. 1984. This is going to be a 2-page spread. Naked Lunch by William Burroughs.
Nice.
A very, very early Thomas Pynchon story. Crash by J.G. Ballard. Very avant-garde science fiction novel that's Ballard is part of the avant-garde literary canon. Okay, and then we're ending here at Infinite Jest by David Foster Wallace, a series of illustrations